in a video.
Is this the beautiful sight where people go on the road? It's the beautiful mountains on the lovely road. You got the bridge.
God bless you.
What's that?
Yeah.
Lower your voice.